we do is we offer exhaust systems for Harley Davidson, Indian, Triumph, and BMW. And our whole claim to fame is that you can actually adjust the sound of your bike.
Really?
So if you're leaving early, or if you live in a subdivision, you live in an apartment complex, you can actually quiet your bike down to stock. And then when you hit the road, or anytime you want to open the bike up, you just hit a button at the handlebar.
You have valves in it?
Yeah, I'll show you real quick. I got a little cutaway right here. So this is our concept. It's all German engineered, made of the highest quality materials. The valves close, all the gases go through the perforations into our packing. Our packing is made out of Nomex, which is a fire retardant material that's made with, they make like racing suits and firefighter suits out of them.
Yeah.
When the valves close, yeah, it goes through there. That's what muffles the sound. And this also is a heat barrier for the chrome, so the chrome doesn't blue. It's really well thought out.
Now, is this electronic or is it manual?
It's electronically opened and closed. So there's a servo motor I can show you on the bike, and it's a push-pull cable operation. So when you hit the button one time, it opens up, gives you a free-flowing exhaust.
Yep.
If you hit the button twice, you go in between. It's dynamic mode.
Yeah, I had a Kawasaki, it was a Z1000 that came with the servo on it.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, the technology's been around for a while. We've been around for 25 years, and we've really perfected our valve.
Yeah, that's
another really cool thing about our exhaust is
really cool.
We study the engine's stock back pressure.
Yeah.
So we develop each exhaust with that back pressure, so there's no need for any kind of tuning or anything unless you start doing motor modifications.
Yeah. Wow.
I'll show you on one of our bikes.
I had no idea that they made aftermarket stuff like that.
We're new to the U.S. market. I'll show you on a road glide, and then I'll show you on a BMW. So every time you start the bike, it's in the closed mode.
Yeah.
Quiet like stock, right?
Yeah.
You're leaving the home or coming home. One right here.
Yeah. Just now. That's pretty neat.
Coming home.
Just one press.
Let me show you on our BMW R18. Same concept, just different bike, different motor, has a different sound. But each system is all developed for the bike. So we don't just take a slip-on from that and put it into this bike.
Yeah.
Everything's all unique. Each model. It's all model specific. Same concept. Quiet mode, cruising around. Hit the button at the handlebars.
Holy cow. That's impressive. Wow. That's so cool.
Yeah.
I had no idea you guys, people made that aftermarket, you know what I mean?
We've been around for 25 years. We're trying to get brand awareness right now at the show.
I thought that was just like emissions stuff, because I'm pretty sure that's why they put it on bikes from the factory.
Well, in Europe, they're much more strict with emissions. And, they have TÜV and ABE and a lot of more noise ordinance. But as time goes on, it's starting to grow more and more in the U.S. Like New York, for instance, has a new legislation that they passed that you can actually get fined if you have a loud bike in certain areas.
Really?
So this would be the solution. So you could have best of both worlds.
And then what about the electronics you have to add to it?
You don't have to add any Well, it all comes in the kit.
Yeah.
And it plugs into your factory wiring harness. It usually plugs into the diagnostic port.
I see.
And that's how we get our power source.
That's cool.
So it doesn't void any kind of warranty at all.
And then what about, have you guys thought about making a manual one where you can just flip a little,
It's all electronic.
Just electronic, yeah.
It just makes it easier, more convenient for the rider.
Exactly.
To switch between the modes.
Yeah. That's pretty neat.
We offer them for all the Harley line, also BMW, Indian, Triumph.
What about sport bikes or anything like that?
We haven't.
Not yet.
It's possible, but not yet. Primarily, it's for the cruiser models.
Yeah, I've noticed these are a lot louder. The Harleys and all that stuff. I mean, sport bikes are too, but when you really open them up, they are.
Yeah, they'll wind out like R1s, R6, like what you have.
Yeah.
Once you get past 9,000 RPM.
Yeah.
We focus mainly on the touring bikes. We also have them on the Adventure Pan Am over there.
Yep.
We have them for the 1250 GS BMW, R9Ts, R18s like you saw there. We have them for even the RTs for the BMW.
Yeah.
I'll show you on the Pan Am.
Yeah.
This is our Nomad system, very similar to what
wow.
we would have for the BMW. All of them have the same concept.
So that's closed or open? Definitely 100% tell a difference for sure. That's so cool. Well, thank you so much for showing me around. I appreciate
it, dude.
What's your name?
My name's Edward.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Thanks, bud. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.